got the truck. Definitely got a lift gate this time, so we're not dealing with bullshit. We got the rental agreement, so we're about to get a strap right now, and then we're about to head back home to Hemet. Boom. Now we just pulled up to Sunbelt Rentals. We're about to get a pallet jack.
Wait, y'all got it? Baby, do you got it?
Good? Yeah.
I'm all with the fence ready to help catch it.
This is my brother. Alright, you're good.
So we just gotta let it fall.
You better. You going in.
Well, I was trying to make sure it don't fall on you.
Trying to protect you. What's that? 50 ways to die.
Oh, God.
Dada. Dada.
Yeah?
Boom. Boom, boom.
The car?
It's a truck.
Can you leave it on the pallet jack?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
How you doing? That's the only one y'all taking?
You can lock it, right?
Wow.
How you doing? It's a riot. Come back.
What we doing for Halloween? Let's go to a theme park.
Come on, boy.
Gotta watch
Kira.
that big old thing.
Hey, I was gonna make sure it got. You got it.
You got it.
He's good, Titi. Where Titi? She running from you. Be careful. She over here. She on the other side of the car. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Go, baby, go.
What up? Alright, we just pulled up to the mall. We're about to unload it right now. Here we go. Just so you know, we ain't lying. We got a vending machine in the mall. Man, you gonna help me?
What is it?
Hold on, you gonna need to help me
The
do it.
Promenade Mall.
Get that one of these doors. Alright, go down. Alright, you can pause the video. I'm gonna need your help. Are you gonna still record? I need to get some more movement. There we go.
Alright, there we go.
Hey. Oh, now it's going quick. This is good. Security, I mean, look at that. Pepsi right there. It's cheaper than that. What's up, everybody? Pulling the vending machine in right now. It's a little heavy. I wish we had an electric pallet jack. But when we get to that level, then we'll get one. Well, when we get to that level, I won't be doing this type of stuff. You know, I'm gonna have an employee doing this type of stuff. But it's still fun. Yeah, I already got it filled it up at home. We're just ready to plug it in. Yeah, that's cool right there. Perfect. All right, we're about to plug it up, guys. Here we go. Let's take a look. Light works. Make sure. Let's just watch the card in here. Make sure that. There we go. Yeah, it's connecting. It's communicating. Boom, there it is. There's our machine. Right by the family restrooms. Lots of traffic. Right in the food court. All right, now we also made these brochures for all the employees, so they know that there's a vending machine, and I put if they want a special request that they can email me. So we're literally about to hand these out to every single store. There's like 140 stores up in here. Let's do it. And that is the last one. We gave away about 150 something, put them on in every store, on every kiosk, on a table, everything. And that's how you make sure you be successful. All right, everyone, I'll let you know how the profits go in a month.